Yesterday we talked about simplifying algebraic expressions. Lesson 1, module 5, right? Simplify algebraic ايوه ليه يا اخوي؟ اسف، انا بعترض بس لاني حابب اعترض، مش لاني فائد.
انت لو اعترضت هتريحني كده، مش هحزن انا.
طيب اوكي، بس اجين هاخد
6 هاخد الثانيه، الحصه الثانيه. انت هتاخد الثانيه ولا ايه؟
هاخد الثانيه. اي كلاس؟ ها؟ 8 الثاني. خلص اوكي. طيب ماشي. يلا simplify algebraic expressions. Yesterday we talked about like terms, right? We said we can add or subtract only the like, and the like terms are, let's remember, like terms have same variable and same exponents, right? So if we have like terms, we can add them and we can subtract them. Let's go to this example. Simplify 6n minus 1 minus 8n plus 9, right? Now, to simplify here, first I need to know how many terms we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms, and 6n is like term with negative 8n, and negative 1 is like with 9. We said the numbers together are like terms. So let's combine the like terms together. 6n minus 8n equal 6 plus, right? Minus 8, yani plus 6 minus 8. Subtract with the bigger sign, it will be, so negative 2h n. So 6n minus 8n, how much? Negative 2n. Now, minus 1 plus 9 plus 8. بس خلاص. Are they like terms at all? n و 8 like terms. So this is simplest form. Let's go to example 1 now. Example 1. Combine like terms. Example 1. The example said simplify the expression j plus 0.05j, right? We have this expression, we need to simplify it. So how many terms here we have? 2 terms. This term has j. What's the coefficient of it? 1. And this term has also j. What's the coefficient? So they are like terms. J power 1, j power 1, right? So how we add? We add this one here. We have 1 here, but we don't write it. 1 with what? 1 plus 0.05. Exactly. Equal 1.05 what? Done? Check after this example. We have check after this example on the next page, page 235. Up. The cost of a new pair of shoes after a 3% markup can be represented by C plus 0.03 what? C. They want us to simplify this expression. What it will be, Isam? 1.03 what? C. From where we get the 1? Beside the C here, we have 1, but we don't write it. So I can read it as, look at the board. 1C plus 0.03C. It will be 1.0.03C, right? فهمنا check. فهمنا example. Let's go to example 2. In example 2, simplify negative 5x plus y minus or plus 6 minus 5y minus 3. And please focus here, please. افهم. طلع البورد وافهم. Here, how many terms we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 terms, right? Let's search about the like terms first. خلينا نفتش على like terms. Here we have x. Do we have other x? So we don't have any like term with negative 5x. So this comes down the same. So this is equal negative 5. How about the y? صح? Here y power 1, here y power 1. So they are like. So what's the number beside the y here? We have 1. Yeah. Plus 1 minus 5. Plus 1 minus 5 is how much? Negative 4 ايش؟ done? طب still mean 6 minus 3 positive. So what I did here, the x comes down because I don't have else x. It's not like. The y's together 1 minus 5 minus 4. And the numbers together 6 minus 3 plus 3. Right? فهمنا فاهم يا تميم؟ طيب, let's do the check after this example. Yes, miss. يلا the check. After this example, we have simplify negative 5 minus 3w plus 9 minus 6z صح plus 8w minus 4z. First of all, how many terms we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. Let's search about the like terms. Negative 5 مع مين؟ مع ال 9. النمبر مع النمبر. طلع البورد يا ابني. طلع شغل. طلع البورد. طلع البورد. Negative 5 with 9. Negative 3w with ونيجاتيف 6z. خلاص؟ يلا let's do the numbers. Negative 5 plus 9 positive 4. هاي 4. طيب هلا الدبليوز negative 3 plus 8 positive 5. طيب الزد negative 6 negative 4 negative 10 z. Right? Now we have choices. Where are it? 4 plus 5w then b. Choose b. فهمنا؟ أكيد. طيب. In the next page, we have example 3. Same idea, but with fractions. Example 3. Simplify 3 over 4a plus, sorry, minus 2 over 3 minus 1 over 2a plus 5 over 6. Now, in the previous module, we work with the fractions, right? Now, نطلع على البورد شوي. طلع على البورد. طلع على البورد. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. We have كلهم fraction. The like terms, a power 1, a power 1, right? So 3 over 4a with negative 1 over 2a are like. Check. So I will do these two terms together. صح? And these two fractions, the constants, I will do them together. صح? طب, let's start with the a. I have 3 over 4a minus 1 over 2a. Means I will take the 3 over 4 and I will subtract 1 over 2. صح? Don't do it here in the solutions. Do it by side and take the answer of it. Okay? So what I will do, I will take 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2 to know the answer of it. Okay? So 3 over 4 minus مين؟ بعدين ححط ال A معها. Okay? يلا. Times 2 times 2. check. 3 minus 2, 1 over. So 1 over 4 what? A. check. So this is equal, again, 3 over 4a minus 1 over 2a, 1 over 4. done. عملنا الايز احنا خلاص. هلا الفراكشنز النمبرز negative 2 over 3 plus اعملوا هون negative 2 over 3 plus 5 over النيجاتيف اعطيها لمين؟ لل2 مش هيك؟ يلا here times 2 to make it 6 negative 4 plus 5 plus ولا minus plus 1 over 6 لو كان هون minus شو بتحط؟ minus 1 over 6 got it? So same idea of the previous example but with fractions. That's all. فهمنا؟ This is example 3. Let's do the check. After example 3 we have check. Let's do it. Let's do the check after example 3. اللي هو page 236, right? Simplify negative 1 over 4m plus 5 over 6 plus 3 over 8m minus 2 over 3. Okay? Yeah. Here we search about the like terms. We have 2m here and here. Yani this term with this term are what? Like. مظبوط? And this term with this term also are like. So let's start with the variables. What's the coefficient here? Negative 1 over 4 plus 3 over 8. So here what we will do, I will go by side, do negative 1 over 4 plus 3 over 8. Negative 1 over 4 plus 3 over 8 times 2 times 2. Negative 2 plus 3 1 over 8 ايش؟ 1 over 8m. خلصنا الام's. Now the fractions 5 over 6 minus على جنب 5 over 6 minus 2 over 3 times 2 times 2 1 over plus بس done. Copy it. This is the check after example 3. Quickly, guys. ليش بتحط مربعات هيك فاصلهم عن بعض؟ غلط. لا غلط، امسح. انت فصلتهم، هم one algebraic expression. هلا لو احط brackets like this, bracket here وبراكت here, شو بتصير؟ بتصير multiply. هو one algebraic expression, do not separate them. يلا. Done with this check? Huh? Yeah. Done with the check, but here we did the calculations here. طلع البورد. يعني هذا الانسر بس here عملنا الكالكوليشنز احنا. فاهمين؟ فاهم يا اولاد؟ يلا. Let's go to example what now? 4. Let's go to example 4. Now, in example 4, before the example, we have something we call it, distributive property. If you have a number multiplied by a bracket, look at the board. A number multiplied by parentheses or a bracket, we distribute A to B and A to what? It will be A multiply B plus A multiply what? C. If this plus, it's plus. If this minus, it will be minus. Done? فهمنا? Example 4. Example 4. The question said expand 4 multiplied by negative 3x plus 6. يلا ننتبه على البورد. What we have between the 4 and the bracket here? Multiply. So I will multiply the 4 with the negative 3x and with the 6. Here in multiplication, I don't care. يعني ال 4 وال negative 3x, are they like? ما في مشكلة. We said we cannot add or subtract. ما حكينا عن multiply, right? So I can multiply the 4 with negative 3x. How? I'll multiply the number with the number and the variable comes down beside it. Okay? So here what I will do, طلع البورد وافهم. 4 with negative 3x equal 4 multiply negative 3 والاكس بتنزل ماليش فيها. Now 4 multiply what? 6. Is this visible? يلا check. In the check we have expand, check after example 4. Expand 9 multiplied by negative 5a plus 6. Yeah, let's distribute the 9. The 9 will be distributed to the negative 5a and to the equal. 9 multiply negative 5. 9 multiply 6. صح؟ طيب. ها؟ It's multiple choice. Here we have B. Oh, sorry. خلاص يا طيب يا زلمة أنا آسف. B. So here we have what? B, right? So here I will add. طب أنا من وين جايب السكس؟ صح ممتازين بلشت تفهموا علي. What I will write here? So here it will be what? Thank you. Done with this check? يلا example 5 B. يلا example 5 يلا we have expand. ركز يا حبيبي الله يسعدك. expand 2x minus 5y multiplied by 3. هم قلبوهم صح؟ Same idea. Distribute the 3 inside the bracket by multiplication. 3 multiply 2x and 3 multiply negative 5y. So this is equal 3 multiply 2x, 3 multiply negative 5. Can we do more? No, they are unlike. هذه x هذه y ما لهمش دخل ببعض. Yes. Okay. The check after example 5. Where? Wait. Here. Here. 3 multiply 2x. 3 multiply 5y, 15y. But we have minus comes down. تمام؟ Yeah. Let's do the check after example 5. We have this check. After example 5, we have a check. Negative 4w minus 7 multiplied by 5. Let's distribute the 5 on the parentheses. So this is equal negative 20. يلا example 6. Example 6, we have use the distributive property to expand negative 5 multiplied by 2x minus 9. انتبه. Negative 5 multiply 2x negative 10x. Negative 5 multiply negative 9 positive. So here we distribute. This is equal negative 10x plus 45. What? Same idea. We use distributive property. The number can be to the left, the number can be to the right. It's okay. No, not different ways. We are distributing only. Yeah, we have check after this example. Check after example 6, we have negative 6 multiplied by. Good. Yeah. Now we distribute the negative 6 now. Equal negative a6 multiply negative a. Yeah. Positive 48. Negative 6 multiply 10. Done? طيب. ها؟ Let's go to the applied geometry. Read. Yeah. The side. Best. Let's do the apply. It's important. Now, before doing the apply, look here at the board. If we have a perimeter, a triangle. We know the area of the triangle, half the base multiply height, صح? Do you have the perimeter? The perimeter is the addition of all the sides lengths. So if this side 1, side 2, side 3, the perimeter is the sum of 1 plus side 2. صح? This is the perimeter. خلاص? Let's go to the apply now. Now in the apply we have two triangles. ركز معايا. Apply question page 239. We have two triangles. The first triangle we have 3 with 4x minus 5, 4x and 10. This they call it a triangle ايش 1. مش مكتوب عندك؟ Second triangle we have 5x 11, 3 by negative 2 plus negative 2x here plus what? This is a triangle 2. خلاص? The question wants us, read again.
The triangle have got represent the perimeter of each triangle and
So we will find the perimeter of each triangle. صح؟ مراد خليك معي. So I'll find the perimeter of the first one and I will find the perimeter of the second one. Triangle 1, triangle 2, right? Let's find the perimeters. Perimeter of شو حسميه؟ Perimeter 1 means perimeter of the triangle 1. We said to find the perimeter you add the sides. مش هيك؟ يلا. So we have 10 plus 4x plus 3 multiplied by, here we have x here. طلع على كتابك. 4x minus 5 like this. Yeah. Plus 3 multiply 4x minus. But the question said find the perimeter in simplest form. To make simplest form, if we have parenthesis first, you need to get rid of the parenthesis. Remember the order of operations? How we get rid of this parenthesis? We use the distributive property اللي حكيته عنها سهل قبل شوي. So first step, I will say equal 10 plus 4x. 3 multiply 4x. 3 multiply negative 5. Hell. Now we have like terms. What are they? 4x plus 12x. 10 with negative 15. In simplest, هيك الكتاب بده. So 10 minus 15. 4x plus 12x. This is the perimeter of a triangle 1 in simplest. Now we'll do the perimeter of a triangle what? 2 in simplest form. Right, triangle 2. 11 plus 5x plus 3 multiplied by negative 3x plus 9. Check. Simplify. هنا 2x sorry. يلا 2. Now distribute أول شيء 3 هذه لازم تخلص من parentheses first. So 11 plus 5x negative 6x. ليش حطيت negative؟ Plus 3 multiply negative 2 negative 6. 3 multiply 9. Now the like terms. 11 with the 27. 5x minus 6x. Negative 1. بس بنحطش ال 1. This is perimeter of a triangle 1 and this is perimeter of a triangle what? لا يا مستر هاي عندك spaces there. Yeah. This is perimeter of a triangle 1. This is perimeter of a triangle 2. But the question did not end yet. Continue reading. أول شيء they said find the perimeter in simplest. عملنا perimeters. Then
which triangle has greater if x equals 3.
بس if x equals 3, they want us to know which triangle has greater perimeter. طب here, perimeter 1, how we find perimeter 1? We have x equals 3. What we do? We replace x by 3. Yeah, let's find it here. أي هاند؟ اسكت يا زلمة. يلا. Let's find perimeter 1 or perimeter mean. The question said x is what? 3. So perimeter 1, we simplify it. We replace x here by 3. Yeah. Negative 5 plus 16 multiply 3 equal. What we do بالأول? Multiplication. 16 multiply 3, 48 minus 5. So perimeter 1 is the perimeter 2 at x equal 3. From where we get the 3? From the question. The question حكى put x equal what? 3. Let's put it here. 3, right? 38 minus 38 minus 3, how much? ايش اللي 2? Where?
Will this be true if x equals which triangle is
If x equal 3, من وين جبت؟
he after will be this true?
Will be this true for any positive value of x? هيك؟ يلا. So here perimeter 1 perimeter 2. الأول 43 والثاني 35. مين اللي has greater perimeter? So triangle 1 has greater. إذا ما يتسوى أي شيء.
Will this be true if x equals
Where؟ ما في 2 هون. ما في 2. وين؟
yes this one if we change x to 2 it will be the same answer.
طيب تشيكت بس هون مش مكتوب نفس الشيء عندك على فكرة. Here مكتوب will this be true for any positive value of x. مش مكتوب at x equal to. So it's okay. Check it for 2. Done. فهمنا كيف طلعنا البيريمتر and how we simplify it. Copy everything here. Copy everything. ما حتطلع إلا لما أشوفك كاتب كل شيء. هينا حكيت. That's all for today. Do your homework, page 241, all of the page. That's all for today. Thank you. Let me see.